This is literally probably my top 5 best whiskies I ever tried. This is called the Bruichladdich Black Arts, and it's a nod as well to basically back in the day, distillers were considered alchemists and almost like witches and sorcerers kind of thing. So the Black Arts is basically a nod to back in the day how distilling can be considered almost like a mystery in itself. This is the version 5.1. Obviously that means that there's 5 versions. It's 24-year-old whiskey. I think the 4.1 is 23 and there's another one 22, so the ages varies. The ABV on this one is 48.4. As you can see, it's a pretty old whiskey, so the ABV it's a little bit lower, but it's incredible. Like if you smell this one, all you can smell is just like chocolate and raisins, and it's absolutely stunning. And this is unpeated as well, so it's an unpeated whiskey. The reason why I keep talking about this one is because it's incredible how much the whiskey tastes, because it's basically, they're very similar whiskies. This one is only like 7 to 8 years old, but this is 24 years old, and you see the difference in colors, and it's incredible. So there you go. So that's a lot darker, obviously from a lot more time in the wood. And then 48% alcohol is a lot easier to drink as well. But the chocolate and all the vanilla comes from the American oak. It's actually incredible. Delicious. Well, this is as much as I can tell you about Bruichladdich. Hope you enjoy, and we'll see you in the next episode. Slán Jabá.